Hi, I hope you're doing well. Hi, I hope you're doing well. So, thank you so much for purchasing the yearly planner. It will give you a lot of things in planning. It will help you a lot in planning. So, first, let me go through the whole planner. So, this is actually a 12-month planner, the whole year planner. So, for year, you have to select year. Currently, it's 2026. For you, we select 2025. See, the year is whole year is updated, and also the start month. So no, so we don't want to start always from the January. For example, for now we want to start from the like October, September. See, our year is updated from September 2025 to August 2026. If we want to go about the new year 2026, and then January 2026. January 2026 to December 2026. Now, what we want is, for example, we want to know about the further year. I want a plan for the 2 years. So, what I will do is, I will move a copy, create a copy. I will go to here, and I will see 2027. See, and then I will also, another thing is, for planning. For example, in 2026 I want to plan like complete the okay, so I will learn a new skill. 3 C is 3 is highlighted. So whatever we will select, if we remove it, see, it is removed. So you can just write it on. Start on the so like this. So you wanna create the same thing for 27, 28, or whatever year you wanna do, and also will provide the Google link as well. If you wanna use the Google Sheets, it is the same. Like you want to choose the 2026, the year, also the month. It is getting loading. See, it is here. Also, how you want to start the month? By Monday, by Sunday, we have the two options here as well. Monday, Sunday. See, Monday and then Sunday. Same thing here as well. You can change that. Monday, Sunday. I hope you will like it. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to me anytime. Thank you so much.